Welcome to All on Dent. I'm Dr. Shareef, and I'm passionate about the future of dentistry. As we look ahead, advancements in technology and personalized care are transforming the way we approach dental health. From AI and robotics to 3D printing, teledentistry, and regenerative solutions, these innovations are revolutionizing the industry. In my videos, I'll share my expertise in both traditional dentistry and cutting-edge digital dental design, focusing on exocad. My goal is to bridge the gap between established practices and the exciting world of digital dentistry, offering valuable insights, tutorials, and practical advice for dental professionals, students, and anyone eager to improve their oral health. Whether you're just starting out or looking to master advanced digital workflows, you'll find something here to enhance your skills. Join me on this knowledge-packed journey into the future of dentistry. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.